Today we will discuss changing an air fin heater. First, we will power down the machine and lock out the power source. Gather a 7/16 socket, a ratchet, a 3/8 wrench, a 5/32 Allen wrench, box blade, a scraper, some anti-seize, some high-temp silicone, and your PPE. Start by removing the cover located on the side of the plenum to access the fin heaters. Remove the wires on each of the studs using your 3/8 wrench. Do not use power tools if you can avoid it. Once the wires are clear, you're good to take out the 4 bolts securing the heater. Take your time removing or installing a heater, as it is easy to snag the size of the plenum. Remove any old silicone using the scraper or box blade. Now that the surface is clean, apply a new bead of silicone for the new heater. You're ready to install the new heater. Remember to take your time. Apply some anti-seize to the bolts before reinstalling. Resecure the 2 wires to either stud. You're now ready to put the cover back on and re-energize the machine. Thanks for watching.